So now I'm going to teach you how to make a closed peony. Okay, so we're just going to start with a styrofoam, but you could make such a sized ball using gum paste itself, but obviously using a styro is important because it is going to keep the entire flower very light and it is not going to be very heavy. Okay, so to do that I need a hot glue gun, that is an electric one, and we just need to make a J hook with a wire that is about 18G. Just going to bend this up a bit. Okay, and I'm just going to just heat the gun. So the hot glue gun is started to heat up. I'm just going to get the hot glue on the tip. Just need to switch it off or the glue is just going to start falling. I'm just going to push this through in, and the hot glue will just take a little time, like say about a minute or so. It's going to straighten this up, and now this is nicely adhered and it is not going to come out because of the J hook and then the hot glue. So I'm just going to put this aside and then I'll get back when I have the petals ready so we could start building the center for making the closed peony.